welcome back to the channel. Welcome to this video. On this video we're going to show the 2018 Honda Civic SI Coupe with only 16,000 miles. 6-speed manual, comes with 1.5 liter engine, 4-cylinder with turbo, and has 205 horsepower. It's a lot for a small car like this. It's front-wheel drive and it's very good on gas. On the city they spend like 28 miles per gallon, and highway is 38. It's very good on this, on the gas, because everything now is very pricey and very expensive. Here we have a front grille. It's very aggressive, and I like the badge over here, the SI badge. Pretty nice. So on this video I'm going to show the exterior, interior, and I'm going to do a short test drive so you can see the car runs and drives perfect. Yeah, before I go to the exterior details, I have to say this car is from RockysAutomess.com, or you can see us Rocky's Auto Sell on Google. You can go ahead there and you can search it, and you're gonna find a lot of pictures for this car. I do like 147 pictures. Don't hesitate to go there and take a look at it. So here we have wheels, very nice wheels, no scratch at all, and we have a snow tire that are very nice, especially on this kind of weather. We have a lot of ice yesterday, so those tires are perfect. The brakes they are nice, they look like that because we just clean it. We have to detail the car so they look like that. And here's the rear wheel, no scratch at all, as you can see. Brakes, they are perfect. Tires, snow tires as well, or you can call winter tires. So that's it for the tires. We have a button here so you can lock the door. I'm gonna go ahead later on the interior. First let me done for the exterior. Here we have a gas cap, of course need premium because it's a sport car, SI. And here is a wing. It's very nice wing, perfect. Looks so sporty and nice. And here you see the SI badge, and here we have a little camera over here, and the Civic there, and the exhaust is like factory exhaust. I think everything is factory on this car. Yeah, it's perfect. So before I go to the interior now, I have to say this car is salvage, rebuild title. That had an accident before. It's not a big accident, but of course the title says salvage, and we have to mention that. And if you go over the numbers, the retail value, if the car is not salvage, is high, but we're gonna sell it for a good price. So just go on the website and you're gonna see it. The accident was on this side, I think, but you can see it. Everything is perfect, the line, the gaps, and everything is very, very perfect. So on this mirror we have a camera here, so you can, when you drive and you're gonna see something on the side, that camera helps. So I think we're done from the exterior. Let me go to the interior. So here we are on the interior, the door panel. I like the stitch over here. It's not leather, it's like cloth everywhere, and some buttons there, and a button for the trunk. And I like the seat. The seat are bucket seats. It's not leather or something like this. It's like it's just cloth. It is very, very nice, and I like the SI stitch over here, and the airbag on the side, and airbag over here as well. So we have some WeatherTech mats. They don't have any power, just those here, like manual. Oh no, let me go inside, show you the interior. Close the door because it's very cold, and put the volume in mute. So here is the dash. You can see original miles, 16,000 miles. It's very low for this car. And here you see a sticker, is for next oil change. Here's the steering wheel. I have some buttons there. You can control that. have some options. Here's the radio. You can control the radio from here, but I'm gonna leave it on this one. Here you can see the turbo, and this one is for turbo too, how much PSI. I'm gonna leave it here. When you push gas, they show you when you're gonna change the gears. So here's those buttons, what I do over there. We have some open and close the phone call from here, and here we have a cruise control. And I think this steering wheel is a custom made, because it's like, this one is a carbon fiber, and it's very nice, this one. Maybe they change only this one, but I like the way the stitch go around here. It's nice thing, perfect. Here's just the start and stop button. Here we have the music, the FM, and we have like a lot of things like FM, AM, Sirius, USB, iPod, Bluetooth, Pandora, and you can connect the phone. I don't know how you're going to connect that. Yeah, that's all for that. They don't have too many options, but of course you can download things on this one. And they have a nice camera. You see 3 ways of the camera here. You can change that, get closer, or like this. I'm gonna leave it here, it's much better. And here is enough for that. We have a climate here. You can control the fan, and we have a nice thing. We have heated seats for both sides. This is 1, 2, 3, and of course the shifter is very smaller. It's very nice. The only thing I don't like it, the emergency brakes is like with button. You don't have to use like this if you want to spin the tires or something like this. And we have a sport button. I'm gonna press the sport, and they get everything get red over there. It's such nice. So you're gonna see it. I'll leave it on sport now for a moment. We have some storage on the back here. We have a USB and the power cigarette lighter. Some other stuff here as well. This one's center console. So here is the key. We have the only one key. They control the lock and unlock and the trunk and the alarm. And the nicest thing on the key I like is Type R. I don't know, it looks very nice. I think it's aftermarket, but anyways. And here you see some storage. You can move that. You can get another one. USB port over there. You can control the console. Like extra storage. And we have a nice sunroof. The sunroof works. So I show you that. Anyways, he's been on the accident, but the car looks so nice. The black headliner is very nice. There is a button for that, and here is a mirror, rear view mirror, and it's not with power, it's just normal mirror. So I think we're done from the front, and let me get on the back seats. So here we are on the back entry. The seat belt works. I leave it like that to show on the picture everything is not locked up or get stuck. Yeah, we have some storage here and airbag on the side there. Yeah, that's all for the interior. Let me show you the trunk. So here we have the trunk. Fortunately, we don't have any spare tire because they make this car very light. We have those buttons so you can pull the thing down. We're down for the trunk. So let me show you this other side, and I'm gonna go ahead to show the engine after. So here's the door panel. Same thing, this one is a carbon fiber, maybe is something from aftermarket. I don't know. I don't know that. If someone knows, just drop a comment below. And here we have a WeatherTech mats as well. So you'll see the same thing like other side. You have this button here, so the seat go front, so someone can go on the back. The same thing like other side. They have an airbag on the side here and the airbag over there. So I think we're done from the interior. I'm gonna go ahead to show the engine and take it for a ride. So here's the engine, brand new. very nice. I think the turbo is somewhere here, but you can listen to the engine. Drive and run so smooth. I think all Civics now they have like a turbo 1.5 liter, but the horsepower could be something less because this one has a 205. Very nice. So I think we're done for the engine. Before I go for a test drive, I have to say thank you so much for the customer who choosing us every day and buy cars from us. Let me show you some videos. So we made it. Now we are on the highway. Whoa, that was very fast. It was very quick. Very nice car, drives so perfect. It's very fun to drive this kind of car because with a lot of horsepower, it's not too much, it's 205 horsepower, but anyways they make this smaller car so fast and powerful. You don't need all gears, you have 6 gears. Now on the 5 gear you can go on the 6. Now he's on 6 gear. Car drives so perfect. Try to perform some more, but no one tried to open our road. I passed the 65. Normally I don't want to do that, but with this kind of smaller car, 4th gear, 5 gear now. It's kind of drivers. So it should be all for a highway trip and test driving. See the side single, they have a camera on the mirror, so you can see the car when you want to turn on the right side. See again, I'm gonna get the right side. I'm gonna take the exit, so see you there at the shop. So now we came back from the test driving. It was very fun driving this car. It's a perfect car. So don't be afraid about the title, the history. You're not gonna drive the title, you're gonna drive the car. The car is so perfect. Oh my god, it was very fun driving this car with that horsepower. Smaller car, manual, perfect. You see the front brakes now, how they look like? Shiny. That's gonna be all for today's video. Hopefully you like it and enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next video.